Hello students, for the standard 6th. We are studying this lesson number your 5th, a different kind of school students. From this lesson, we are studying your lesson number 5th. Last time we have written this question answers till here students, right? Till here we have written. So now hope you have written this part below part also in your notebook. Now next we are going to see this also. You are going to write students all the vocabulary words you are going to write in your notebook. See, now make list of what all the words on the page here plus any more that you can think of that begins with TERR. For that, terrace, terrible, terrify, territory or terrain. 5 words that may follow the last word on the page that those this theater. Write down your own meaning of the word, then write down the meaning given in the dictionary. The word thank means to express gratitude for kindness, gift or service. Example, there is no need to thank me. We thank them for all their help. She has only herself to thank for what happened. Below students, look now. A poem for you to read. This you are going to read and write in your notebook this poem students. All but blind in his chambered hole, gropes for worms the four cloud mole. All but blind in the evening sky, the hooded bat twirls softly by. All but blind in the burning day, the barn owl blunders on her way. And blind as are these three to me, so blind to someone I must be. Next page students. Make a short list of things you find difficult to do. For example, turning a somersault. This picture you, if you possible, you can draw it, otherwise write only names. Threading a needle. Compare your list with the other in the class. Can you explain why you find these things difficult to do? Attempt yourself students. Okay. Next students. Look at your hands carefully. Now write down for each finger one action for which that finger is particularly important. For example, the second, that is called what? Middle. It means index finger helps you to hold the knife down firmly when you cutting. Middle finger, right students? Knife down firmly when you cutting. First finger, what is that? To warm the child or tell the direction to a traveler. Middle or second finger, to hold the knife down firmly when cutting. Third finger student, third, for putting on the ring. The last little finger to make a fist. Okay, so till here you write students. This don't write now, till here only write. Remaining this below we will see later students. Okay, again we have seen students last period this vocabulary as I told you. So from here you write this yesterday hour over. So term means noun, terms, again term given here. Terrace means what? Noun. Okay, here so you all going to write this hard words. Second number what given? To ask someone questions the teacher. Okay, tested means the children on their homework test. Test 2, an examination. Test means examination. Test tube means a noun, small thin tube. Okay, then textbook is a noun, you know better textbook students. Textbook is a book we use. Okay, then again next here use hard words. This meaning terraced, it is called adjective. Terribly, it is adverb. Terrify is also verb. Terror is the noun students. Okay, then here sentences given students for this word, all the given whatever. Then thanks is the verb students. Thanked also verb. thank you is what for the present you sent me. Here example given, students, right? Then again plural what? Those, that, and that, these are the singular. So this is way you can write all exercise in your notebook in good handwriting, students.